Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios in Disney World in Orlando, Florida. And today we're here to check out the brand newly rethemed rock and roller coaster starring the Muppets. It's past member previews and we're excited to see all the things that have changed. So stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like Lois said, we're here in the good old Hollywood Studios today. Very excited. So we woke up this morning and we're like, what should we do today? And we looked on the internet and it said, hey, Passholder previews for a rock and roller coaster. So I have my Muppet shirt on because, you know, we love a theme here and we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, I'm super excited to check this out. I always like the Aerosmith version, but always excited to see something brand new. So
yeah.
We got our virtual queue going and we are ready to walk on in there.
Yeah. Now another fun fact, if you were an elder millennial like I am, they are actually playing emo music in the courtyard. So like, My Chemical Romance just stopped playing and then they played all the small things earlier. So there you go, pretty cool. This one. Always in a hurry, always. Give me a flat tire. So I like it, there's the animal one down at the end. These are fun. Very nice. We appreciate a theme continuation on this channel. There you go. Oh look, the backside of the guitar that Lewis didn't want to take a picture with me in front of because he was in such a hurry. How are you?
You can see it right now. You see the backside of it. That's glorious.
Not right.
And I swear we took like at least 30 pictures there.
We did not. We took 2, and I think your eyes were closed half of them.
You know, I took 3 pictures of you, plus several pictures I was trying to get of nothing.
It's on sale, only $5. I got it with me. I wouldn't pay for it.
Oh, that's fine.
If you came from Hollywood,
Good drums. Got Animals drums. St. Floyd Pepper's bass and vocals. Okay. That's fun. Alright, apparently.
Left and right as far forward as possible. Go ahead, build that space right there in the corner, guys.
You have a tribute back to the Muppets Unleashed or whatever it was. What was it called? Great Gonzo.
Here's where we're turning the music in the street, upside down.
So. Apparently, this is not the only person who's trying to rush us through because I couldn't see all the things. But
Alright guys,
it was
if
cool
you see
seeing.
private space in front of me, let's fill in all that available space for me. Thank you.
We're getting pushed forward.
Yeah. So the guys can see some of the instruments from the Muppets. I like the drums from Animal. This one. Okay.
Yeah, the Animals drums.
Yeah.
It's kind of like being in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, but for the Muppets.
Yeah.
Or what's the Planet Hollywood? Oh, Hard Rock Cafe.
It's Planet Hollywood.
No, Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah.
It's like a Hard Rock Cafe.
But better because it's Muppets.
Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Well, user Speaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo.
Hey, how fast can I get the band here? You got a minute and a half.
Guys, so obviously it's a brand new pre-show because obviously Aerosmith's not here, but the theming is pretty much still the same with the band here and they're late for the show and we're all here as VIP guests, so they're going to get us a limo to get us across town super fast, so we got backstage passes.
They had a Pizza Rizzo pizza box, which was really cute. If you remember, that was the pizza place over in like the New York area of Hollywood Studios.
And all the pictures of Scooter, for some reason, just Scooter over and
He's
over
the employee of the month, every month.
Oh, is that
That's
it?
what it says.
Oh, every month is different, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's always Scooter.
It's a full year of Scooter. And you got some more Muppet costumes. Sergeant Floyd Pepper, Dr. Teeth, Lips, Zoot, Animal. Oh, there's another animal costume.
Alright, so some things that we're seeing. You see clothes up there that wasn't there before, and then you kind of can see on the Down Under Comedy Club, you can see Fozzie Bear. You see his poster, which is kind of fun.
And I see the Squeak Easy as well for the
mice. That's cute. And we have a hot dog.
All the little motorcycles.
Oh yeah, those are cute.
Still going out on the Hollywood freeway.
Yeah. was stuff left over from when they had the show across the way. Oh my goodness, they're going.
Here we got some great Gonzo memorabilia, complete with his outfit when he was shot out of the cannon, and all the fireworks. And there's the cannon, because we're about to get in the limo.
Yay, limo, not limo.
Yeah. You ever rode in a limo before?
Limo, no. Limo, yes.
By the way, out of context, it probably doesn't make any sense, but that's what Professor Honeydew called it when they invented it. Not a limo, he called it a limo.
Out of your hands for all those items.
A thing or two about rock and roll? No, rock bottom. Oh!
We made it.
With the ride, however, the merch store is not yet open. Waka waka. More advertisements for future shows or ticket stubs. Get a $3 ticket in 1979.
Wow.
And they got a brand new food cart here, the Swedish Chef, selling food. Food. Sounds good, we're gonna have to try that sometime. Big fan of food. Waka Waka nachos, churro drumsticks, mini corn dogs, and frozen treats and alcohol. So there you have it. There's the brand new, newly rethemed rock and roller coaster starring the Muppets.
So good.
Yeah, a ton of fun. Definitely only rethemed though. It wasn't completely refurbished. It's still
Right.
the same roller coaster, same
path, track.
yeah, same track, and definitely very well beaten path on that track too.
Yeah,
It beats you up. It's a little rough.
bumpy, yeah.
And I woke up today with a crick in my neck, and like it was not the best idea to ride this today. I think
It's fun though.
if I didn't have that
Correct.
going on, it would have been fine.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyways.
And I'm gonna put photos of us on the rock and roller coaster here, but just ignore Lewis's face because what happened?
All right. Yeah. As soon as we took off, I had my phone in my pocket, my brand new phone, in fact.
Yeah.
And as soon as we accelerated, it slid right out of my pocket,
Yeah.
straight back onto the seat. So I was going to look excited and a little crazy, and then I was really excited and really surprised when that happened.
He looks a little crazy.
And then on top of it, like my neck, even though I have my neck back, it still hurt. Definitely surprised me when my phone fell out of my pocket.
Yeah. So make sure you guys are following us along and you like and subscribe to this video. So make sure you follow our other channel, Weekend of Rides, where it's just POV rides of all the roller coasters and rides here in Orlando.
So anyways, we're gonna wrap up the video here. No pro tips today because it's just a short video, but all the same typical stuff. Come early, be prepared for the crowds, for the heat, all that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, really appreciate that. Really help us out. With that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye. Don't stand on the lip. All right, lean. Okay, good.
All right, try again.
Yeah, one more time.
All right.
And it's Rock and Roller Coaster presented, or featuring the Muppets. Is that what it says?
All right. Starring.
Starring, okay.
Welcome to G-Force Hundreds. Please stand behind the yellow line. In just a few moments, doors to Studio C will be opening. Due to low light levels, please watch your step as you enter. Move in, filling in all available space. And as a courtesy, no flash photography, please. We hope you enjoy your tour here at G-Force Rec.